Hello, friends. As you all know, parenting is a challenging task, and I am here with one more interesting book to overcome certain challenges of parenting. Bloody Good Parenting, by Steve Biddulph, is a practical guidebook that offers insights and advice for parents navigating the challenges of raising children in today's world. Here's a step by step summary of the key concepts and strategies presented in the book. 1. Understanding parenting challenges. Biddulph begins by acknowledging the challenges and pressures that parents face in raising children, including societal expectations, conflicting advice, and personal insecurities. He emphasizes the importance of self-awareness and self-compassion for parents. 2. Building strong foundations. The author discusses the importance of building strong emotional connections with children from a young age. He emphasizes the significance of attachment and bonding in fostering secure relationships and healthy development. 3. Understanding child development. Biddulph provides insights into child development at different stages, from infancy to adolescence. He discusses the unique needs, behaviors, and challenges associated with each stage, offering practical tips for supporting children's growth and development. 4. Effective communication. The author emphasizes the importance of effective communication in parent-child relationships. He offers strategies for listening actively, expressing empathy, and fostering open dialogue with children, even during challenging moments. 5. Setting boundaries and discipline. Biddulph discusses the importance of setting clear boundaries and expectations for children, as well as providing consistent and fair discipline. He advocates for positive discipline techniques that focus on teaching and guiding children rather than punishment. 6. Promoting emotional intelligence. The author emphasizes the importance of nurturing children's emotional intelligence, including their ability to identify and regulate emotions, empathize with others, and navigate social relationships. He provides practical strategies for promoting emotional literacy and resilience in children. 7. Encouraging independence and responsibility. Biddulph discusses the importance of fostering independence and responsibility in children as they grow older. He offers guidance on empowering children to make decisions, take risks, and learn from their experiences, while still providing support and guidance as needed. 8. Building resilience and confidence. The author explores ways to build resilience and confidence in children, helping them develop a sense of self-worth and competence. He emphasizes the importance of praising effort and persistence, rather than just outcomes, and providing opportunities for children to overcome challenges and build skills. 9. Supporting healthy development. Biddulph emphasizes the importance of supporting children's physical, mental, and emotional well-being. He discusses the role of nutrition, sleep, exercise, and play in promoting healthy development and overall happiness. Overall, Bloody Good Parenting offers practical advice and strategies for parents seeking to raise happy, confident, and resilient children in today's complex world. It emphasizes the importance of building strong relationships, fostering emotional intelligence, setting boundaries, and promoting independence and responsibility. To buy and understand in detail about this book, please click on the following link. Happy reading. Happy parenting.